Alright, hey guys, this is where I'm kind of starting you out. Took the bike completely apart already. So, the timing looks like it's in spec, but she's at top dead center right now. Shove the old feeler gauge. This is an expensive one. It has like every size known to man, almost. The exhaust side, checked out mint. But the that intake side though, the smallest feeler gauge on the feeler gauge couldn't fit in there. The smallest size wouldn't go in there. So it's pretty much zero, just 0 millimeters of clearance. So it's just touching. It's just pretty clapped, if you know what I'm saying. So that kind of explains my issue. Solved! Problem solved! So yeah, I'm gonna rip the old thing off, take that chain off. It's every day, bro, with that Disney Channel flow. Just kidding, I don't watch Jake Paul. So yeah, I'm gonna rip that off, check the shims, then go get smaller shims. Then we're gonna try and fire it up, or we're gonna check clearances first, Then we're gonna try and fire it up, and hopefully it'll start better, hopefully it'll run better, hopefully it'll just run mint. Also, I got some new stuff here. Where is it? Oh, here it is. Sick new grips, because that right there and that right there, they're a little clapped, if you know what I mean. So I got some new ones here. Also, I got a hardware kit, every bolt I will ever need, so I can actually fasten all the plastics. And in this video, we're actually gonna put on some of these dope white plastics. Now I know they look kind of trash, but alright, I just got back from the store, and I got my new shims here, and I got a new spark plug too, actually, because this one is a little shot, if you know what I mean. The guy at the power sports place here, he's kind of a dick, not gonna lie. I was like getting new shims, he's like, that's a pretty big jump to go from a 192 to a 175. I'm like, yeah, well, my intake valves are tighter than a goose, okay? So don't fucking do that shit. Let's throw these new shims in, and let's hope that they give me the good clearances, because if not, I'm gonna have to embarrass myself and go back to that guy at the power sports store, and he's gonna make fun of me and remove my testicles out of my anus. Alright, well, this is the part that I absolutely hate, because guess what? They're still too tight. They're too tight. So I have to go back to the freaking power sports store and be like, hey man, yeah, I need more shims. Yeah, so I just got more shims. Hopefully they work this time. But yeah, I guess that guy, he's actually kind of a nice guy. He just has a bad attitude, but he's a nice guy. Just got the new shims in, and they're in spec now. They're a bit on the looser end, but they're in spec. So this thing should purr like a kitten. It should have less engine noise. It should not just die, just die at random points while it's idling. It should idle just perfectly smooth and just keep idling. And it should start 5 times easier. I used to kick this thing like 15 times before it would finally start, and I'd have to hold the throttle almost wide open. camo plastics on. But I don't have another air filter cover, so this is just blue, and it just, you know, it actually kind of looks dumb. It kind of looks retarded. So, yeah, I don't really know what to do about that. And also, I threw on some new grips. The grips, I guess. But yeah, let's fire it up and see if she runs. That's the main part that I really care about, is if she even runs. Oil burning off there, but dude, she's running mint. She's running mint AF. It's idling. Before, when I would start it, I would have to gun it to get it to start, and then I'd have to hold the gas open because it wouldn't idle, it would shut off. Still a little rattly. Yamaha. Hell yeah. Yeah. She rolls quite a bit of coal and she kind of bogs. So, just needs a new piston, I'd say. Slap a new piston in the old girl and grip it and rip it. Add me on Snapchat so you can see stuff before it happens. And add me on, follow me on Instagram.